It was definitely exciting and exhilarating, a little nerve-wracking, but I was thrilled that the teleprompter was there to support me. And it just reminded me that I knew everything, but I had the support. So it was great. I feel good about it. It was hard. It was hard because my original talk, I ended up scrapping the whole thing a week ago. I was trying to figure out why I was procrastinating so much to memorize the talk, and I realized I hated it. And so the coach that I was working with said to me, I don't feel connected to you. So we decided in that moment I would start from scratch, and now I felt much more connected to it. It was a little nerve-wracking to memorize the whole thing in a week, which is why I was reliant on the teleprompter. But it was great. I felt it, I felt connected to it, and it was the right talk. I love all the coaches I've worked with, for sure. It's been an 8-month journey for me, from the moment I signed up until now. I have not had any bad experiences at all, and I think the one thing that stuck with me the most early on was I didn't feel like I was going in the right consecutive order of the courses and steps and what you do next, and I was kind of all over the place at the beginning. And one of the coaches said to me that wherever you are is exactly where you're supposed to be, and you'll get there one way or another. So I did, and thank you.